Welcome everyone. My name is Ifat Coding Wali. It's the online academy from Allahabad, India. So today I have a very special and amazing interview with call Annie. So let's start this conversation. So my topic is why coding is important. So yes, I will call this call.
Good to see you again. How is it going?
Hello Annie, how are you? I am fine.
Hey, Fatty's doing great. Thanks for asking. Just finished a little yoga session to clear my mind. How about you? What's been on your mind lately?
So today I will ask question you about coding. Why coding is important? So can you tell please?
Absolutely, is super important because it helps you understand how technology works. It's like learning a new language. With coding skills, you can create apps, websites, and plus, it opens up a lot of career opportunities in fields like engineering, medicine, and even art.
Yeah.
What interests you most about coding? Do you have any projects in mind?
Yes, I have a much project in my mind because my Wali is also about coding. I am Ifat Coding Wali. Yes, you know what? Special for me, coding.
A Turing Valley. A Turing Valley. That sounds so cool.
Yes.
Are you talking about exploring new places, or do you mean something more like a travel blog or guide? I'd love to hear more about it. What's your favorite place you visited so far?
Okay, so can you tell me which was the first coding language in the world?
Surath's first programming language is often considered to be Fortran, which was developed in the 90s for scientific and engineering calculations. But before that, there were assembly languages used for early computers. Isn't it fascinating how far coding has come since then? Do you have a favorite coding language you're interested in?
Okay, wow, that's cool, interesting for me now. So yes, can you tell so before next question? So can you tell me what is HTML? Can you tell me what is HTML?
Of course, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the standard language used to create and design web pages. HTML helps structure the content on a page like headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Think of it as the skeleton of a website. Without HTML, there'd be no way to display all the cool stuff we see online.
Okay, that's cool. So now can you tell me what is the language PHP? Can you tell me what is the language?
Definitely of HTTP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor.
Yes, continue please. So please can you repeat?
It's a server-side script for web development.
Okay.
PHP, sorry, PHP
Yes.
as a programming language that allows developers to write scripts that run on a web server. It's particularly good. That's awesome. What kind of project are you thinking about? Maybe a personal website, a game, or
Yes,
something
yes.
else. I'm excited to hear more about it.
Yes. Yes, I create a website and clones. Oh, sorry, everyone, for that. Sorry, of that issue. So yeah, so now we will go again. Yes, Annie, please continue. How do I create websites easily? I allow again. Okay.
Good to see you again. How is it going?
Okay. Annie, you continue. Tell me how I website easily.
Creating a website can be super fun. Since you're interested in HTML, you're already on the right track.
Yeah.
First, you want your website to do. Is it just for sharing your Turing Valley stories, or do you want to add features like a gallery or contact form? Then start with HTML for the structure. You can use a simple text editor like Notepad or something more advanced like Visual Studio Code. Next, add some CSS for styling, make it pretty. There are tons of templates online if you want to start with something ready-made. For PHP, you'll want to set up a local server using something like XAMPP or Emma Thighs lets you test your PHP code on your computer. And don't forget to have fun with
Yes, what happened? Please continue. Annie is not here. Yes, Annie, continue, please. Okay. So now my next question. So now we go on next question. Can you hear me, Annie?
I can hear you loud and clear, Fat. What's your next question? I'm all
Yes.
ears.
Yes. Okay. So now we have our next question. Which Passing time. So can you tell me what does a wall debugging mean in coding? Can you tell me it clearly?
Maybe a project or an idea. Could you share a bit more about it? I'd love to help.
What meaning in coding? Debugging.
Ah, debugging.
Yes.
That's a crucial part of coding.
Oh wow.
Gotcha, what specific issue are you dealing with? I'm here to help you figure it out.
So yes, can you tell me what mean debugging in coding? I know that. Yes.
Great, so debugging in coding is the process of identifying and fixing errors or bugs in your code. It's like troubleshooting to ensure everything runs smoothly. When you debug, you're making sure your program behaves as expected. It can involve checking for syntax errors, logical errors, or runtime errors. Do you have a specific coding project you're debugging right now? Or maybe a funny story about a bug you found?
Okay. Cool. So yes, interesting. So now we go on next question. So now you can. Yes. So now Annie, can you
Absolutely,
tell me
that's
what?
your next question. I'm ready to dive in.
Yes. So can you tell me how does coding help in automation? How coding help? Continue, please. What is debug? Sorry.
Automate, and we can take it step by step. Whether it's writing a script using a specific tool or figuring out how to connect different apps, I'm here to help. What do you have in mind? The size of an automated machine can vary widely depending on its purpose. For example, small robots, like robotic vacuum, quite large, like assembly line robot machines, which take up significant floor space.
So yes.
Software automation. If you're talking about software automation,
Okay, so now can you
it
tell
doesn't
me?
have a physical size, but the complexity can vary. What kind of automated?
Oh, wow. Okay. So now I have next question with you. Why do coders need to practice daily? You face any problem in that? Your voice are a lot stuck in. Yes, yes, yes. So yes. Now any you hear me? Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, well, that's what internet should identify it. We have a much internet connection here.
Absolutely, a strong internet connection makes everything smoother,
Yeah.
whether it's coding, streaming, or just chatting. It's like having a superpower. What do you usually do online when your connection? Howards, if you have anything specific you'd like to talk about or ask, just let me know.
I asked you listen
I'm
me.
here for it.
You listen me and you listen me. You listen me. Yes. So now my next question. Yes. So sorry, everyone. So now my next question is that Annie can. Yes. How can coding be used in robotic system? Can you?
I can
Oh,
hear
okay.
you. What's your next question? Let's keep the conversation going.
Can you tell me how can coding be used in robotic? Any?
Yes, I can hear you. What do you need help with? I'm here for baking projects can be so much fun. Here are some creative ideas you might enjoy. One of them cakes. Try making a cake based on your favorite movie or game. You can use fondant to create characters or you could even have a cookie decorating party. 3-breed baking. Experiment with different types of bread, like surdaf or focaccia. You can even try shaping them into fun designs. Far cupcake tower. Bake a batch of cupcakes and create a beautiful cupcake tower. You can mix and match flavors and decorations. 5 baking challenge. Challenge yourself to recreate a famous pastry or dessert from a bakery you love. 6 DIY baking kits. Create your own baking kits with pre-measured ingredients in a recipe and share them with friends. 7 to bake fun to you.
Nothing. It's not fun for me any. So I can't try these anytime. You tell me. Yes, Annie, tell me. How was your experience?
That's awesome. I hope you have a blast trying them out.
Oh,
As for my, I love sharing ideas and learning from you. Every conversation is a new adventure. What about you? What's been your favorite baking experience so far?
nothing. Nothing is that any. We don't know what. So yes, now we end the session. Yes. Okay, everyone. So this is our session with call Annie. It's amazing talking call Annie much longer time. So yes, an amazing day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz. Take care.